These drones are completing a special mission as they land in Tel Aviv, delivering sushi from Japanika restaurant some 7 miles away in Herzliya.
You can see multi-drones taking off, doing delivery, coming back, land, finish the delivery process, everything autonomously.
This drone could be the delivery truck of the future. One just like this delivered ice cream from Jaffa to the beach in Tel Aviv. Alon Abelson is CEO and co-founder of Highlander, a drone and unmanned traffic management solution that helps keep skies safe for this growing technology.
There is no pilot involved, no one is flying the drone, and you still need someone to make sure that the drone flying avoid collide between themselves, landing safely in the right location.
These are among the first commercial drone deliveries in central Israel and the city of Tel Aviv. It's the third of 8 stages expected to reach new heights over the next 2 years. It's being managed from the Ayalon Highways Control Center that's usually managing traffic on the ground.
We started from 0 flights 2 years ago, 700 flights in the first year, and now we're close to 9,000 flights. So we're definitely progressing even faster than we predicted.
As part of Israel's Innovation Authority, Daniela Partam leads the Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution.
Our aim is to enlarge the ecosystem, so add more cities, more urban areas. In order for this to be an economically viable system, we would have to enable larger drones flying longer distances in order to deliver heavier goods to more areas.
Joined by the Civil Aviation Authority and Ayalon Highways, the project is a collaboration between the government and 16 local and international companies.
Each company has its own business case, but our goal is to create the regulatory and technological infrastructure for them to be able to do that in an economically viable ecosystem.
The various companies work together towards solutions in key areas, ranging from air traffic control and flying the drones to deliveries and security. Libby Bahat from the Civil Aviation Authority says he sees opportunities and challenges.
We are a crowded country in terms of airspace. We have high security needs. These are challenges, but I think we know how to approach them.
Despite the challenges, Ayal Bilia from Ayalon Highways explains why drones are a good and timely idea.
The lower airspace is unused today. So we're trying to open the lower airspace in order to deliver all kinds of goods and deliveries from one place to another. And by that, we're going to reduce traffic on the highways.
According to former General Yoeli Or and current CEO of Can Do Drones, the Israeli military has been using this technology for 10 years.
So we take it from the military side and adapt it for our needs in the civilian side.
Working along with security and air traffic control, Can Do can manage up to 250 drones at a time.
We connect different drones from different companies, from different mission, to our system, and we control them from one laptop. First of all, you save time, you save money. The police have drones now. The fire control, they have drones. So the drones have to speak with each other.
The founding members of Airways came from the Israeli Air Force. CEO Ayal Zor explains how these experts in airspace management make it all work.
We are using advanced AI algorithms in order to manage a dynamic airspace of drones. We try to mimic like the traditional aviation, like air traffic controllers and pilots, with our system in order to show that we can operate maximum number of drones in a dynamic urban city.
Deliveries are currently limited to between businesses, given the need for a drone landing pad. The order is placed through an app, then prepared, loaded on the drone, flown to the delivery site, collected, and taken to the customer. Daniel Rachamim heads up Mishlocha, one of the most popular and fastest-growing food delivery apps here. Until now, Mishlocha has delivered mostly food and relied on conventional delivery methods like scooters. As a technology company, though, Rachamim says he's always looking to the future.
We don't have any doubt that the next stage will be the drones, because this is the best way, the fast way, the safe way to move things from one side to each other.
Flytech is the aerial operator, and company vice president Yahav Price says the drones can transport a delivery weighing about 4.5 pounds.
This is the first time in Israel you can see this kind of project, which means the first time we fly drones with no eye contact through a computer, like another UAV.
Though the demonstration focused on getting ice cream to waiting journalists, Price says the vision reaches much further than just food delivery.
This is a platform to show that technology is there and safety is there. We want to provide much more important things to our civilians, like big orders, machines, and medicines.
We are doing a great progress, and today we are writing the cookbook for economic airspace of deliveries.
Hospitals and medical facilities could be big winners with these deliveries, receiving life-saving materials quickly with no traffic jams. And consumers in the future will likely benefit in ways we haven't even imagined. Julie Stahl, CBN News, Tel Aviv.